Hello everyone, welcome to this month's reveal video. I'm super excited. I know I always say I'm excited, but this month we are diving into the spooky season. This is the Darkness September VBKit. I love Halloween. Love. So let me show you this month's kit. Yay! I always get nervous when I do holiday kits, and that is why I don't do too many of them. But Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, same with Valentine's Day. So, because things are my favorite, it's easy for me to design, like this envelope. Don't you love this art? I knew you would, so I made it into washi tape. Let me unravel this to show you. Two washi tapes for this kit. The first one is that skull dangle. That's what I'm calling it. It's on a white background. I really wanted to focus on the art, so I didn't make it too busy in the background. Just pretty basic, very simple. And you can layer this with a lot of different colors if you wanted. And then, of course, because I love my abstract, you get this abstract print. Both tapes and a lot of the, majority of the foil, all of the foil in this kit is gunmetal. I know I've been getting a lot of feedback that you love gunmetal. Speaking of gunmetal, there's a really pretty gunmetal. Don't you love my skeleton hands? I thought it'd be really cute add-on. Anyways, two magnetic faux leather bookmarks. This one is the gunmetal that I keep talking about. It has a really nice shimmery sheen. I haven't done a material like this yet, so I thought it would be really fun to bring this in for this kit. So you get two of them, the shiny gunmetal sparkly one, and then this one's like a mauve matte smooth faux leather. Speaking of this one, I wanted something else to match with this, so this is a pen sleeve. This is probably a product I get requests all the time. Whenever we have extras, we cannot keep it in stock. You guys just love this one. You love this product, and I'm happy you do, because it seems like any pen product you guys just gravitate towards, which is really cool. I love designing new pen products. So this fits four pens, I believe. Yes, 4 pens. And I put a little key, what do you call these things? A little hole clasp thing. I don't know what they're called. So you can clip on like charms and things, because I've seen a lot of you do that. You kind of made it your own, which is cool. This is another product that is highly requested. It is the envelope supply pouch. It looks like a little envelope that's clear, so you can put all your planner supplies. This one has the trim of that gunmetal from the that shiny sparkly gunmetal material. And I'm just gonna I just really quickly want to show you what I have on my desk to put inside your envelope pouch. You can put so much product. You can even just add all pens that I've seen a lot of you do, but as you can see, it fits a good amount of stuff. And then here is actually some of the products from this month's kit. This month I included 3 full box sticky notes with 3 different designs, all with different font too. This one has like as you can see, kind of like that gunmetal foil. Looks so pretty against like these different shades of purple. Just wait till you see the sticker book. Sticker book is gorgeous with the color palette. A lot of people are asking like how you use these. I use them like sticky notes basically. They fit planner box sizes that are 1.5 by 1.9, so a fairly good amount of planners out there. These will fit, or you can use them like stickers too. So next thing that I want to show you are these, I like to call them the Queens of Darkness. And these are clear stickers with foil detailing. You get, I believe, 4 sheets. There's 2 different girls on each sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes, 4 sheets. Some of these ladies might look familiar. Hint, hint. Maybe they're coming in a pen release. I will have more details about that very, very soon, but get very excited. Okay, now let's talk about the sticker book. You're gonna see these skeleton hands a lot this month and into, well, this month's almost over, so I should say next month. You'll see them a lot in future reels and Insta stories. Oh, see, this is what I was talking about. The gunmetal foil just pops with this color palette. I was kind of scared that these colors would look really dark, but I'm really happy how they turned out with this sticker book. Gorgeous, different shades of purple, that kind of tealish dark green in there, and the gunmetal and that charcoal color. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The next product that I'm going to show you is the B6 sticker release insert. I think the last insert I had was last year's Halloween kit, so I thought I would bring it back again for this year's Halloween kit. If you're not familiar what sticker release paper is, it's basically the backing of your stickers. But these are full, I shouldn't say full sizes, full sheets, but they're B6 size sheets, so pretty good size, about a 5 by 7, I believe. Don't quote me on that. But they're great to have, so you can put loose sticker sheets all together. Like here, I'm putting down some of the sampler sheets that you get from VB orders. Oh, that would make a really great insert to have all the VB sampler sticker sheets all in one insert. And I'm putting a Tiffy Tuesday sticker down because we haven't had a Tiffy Tuesday and I need to plan one. I don't know when, but so hopefully sometime soon. Here, this full page, I want to pre-plan my week for the first week of October. So I'm laying down one of the Queens of Darkness and then a quote box sticker. I'm just going with the flow here, not really thinking if I'm going to have a color palette because everything matches. I know I have a bill due the first week. I think it's my Target bill. And then I think I need to do my nails. I have to, it's Lucia's birthday, October 2nd. So I need to prepare for that. Ooh, I do need to order her birthday dress. Oh my gosh, I have a lot to do for her birthday. Can you believe Lucia is turning 2? If you don't know who Lucia is, she is my niece. My little baby niece. I love her to death. And I really like these clipboard stickers. I use them a lot. I use them like the full box sticker. And then some of these half boxes too. I use those a lot. Don't forget, I always say this, but make sure to use your VBPen pens and not your VB pens on these stickers because your VB pens will smear. But people always ask me, like, why don't you change the paper? I really like this paper. This new kind of vinyl paper. Look how the colors just pop. The foil just pops. The only downside is the VBPen's smear. But for now, I'm going to keep this paper. Who knows? You know, we might later down the road switch back. But for now, this is going to stay. I'm adding a few more stickers to this page. A little deco shelf, and then a checklist. But see, it's so easy to pre-plan your weeks, you know, so you don't have to lay them down on your planner, like on your weekly layout. You can just lay your stickers and see what works best for you for these sticker release sheets. I thought it would be a good time to show you the new VB clutch. I included this product with last year's anniversary kit, and it was a huge hit. So I'm bringing it back in different colors and improved it just a bit. So there's 3 snaps, one to make it super tight, one normal, and then one to make it loose when a lot of you like to stuff it. And it is B6 size, so it goes right through the strings. And yeah, I know you're probably looking at this like, oh my gosh, I want it. Don't worry, it is on the way. We should have it very soon, probably within the next month, and I will do a full reveal on those 2. I saved the best product for last. It is the Darkness VBKit pen. Isn't it stunning? Oh, you guys are going to love this. It is all gunmetal hardware. I know it took me a while to have an all gunmetal pen, but I think that I saved it for the perfect time. So this has mauve crystals, a transparent black, and a solid black all mixed in together. I'm so sorry that the paper isn't here for me to actually show you, but this is the paper pack, I should say, that you get. So 2 vellum and then 4 heavy cardstock. I hope you guys love this kit. I hope it gets you in the spooky vibes for October. Your planners are gonna look amazing. Stay tuned to our Instagram. We're gonna be having a lot of fun reels because we love Halloween. I need to decorate the studio this weekend. I'm excited. If you haven't done so already, make sure you pre-order October's VB kit. If you love fall, this is the perfect kit for you. It is in collaboration with Studio 6 Plants, so those fall colors and that warm and cozy feeling. Thank you guys for your support. I love you, and I will see you again very, very soon.